Yeah, all right, guys. We are back to continue our journey into the Show Me the Way FS Academy course Beginner's Guide series, which is the new generation of traders. In today's lesson, we are going to be talking about understanding Forex markets. In our previous meeting, we talked about Forex markets. So we're going to be talking about understanding Forex market today. Okay, so we are going to be talking about understanding Forex. How do you understand Forex as a beginner trader, or someone who has no knowledge about the forex markets before? So basically, forex is a global decentralized market. Decentralized simply means that there is no a decent authorization on that. There is no any authorization or government authorization office for this particular market. It's decentralized market, you understand? Where currencies are traded in large quantities. In the forex market, currencies are being traded in large quantities, but not in a single distant quantity. So Forex is the largest financial market in the world with a leading flow of $5 trillion plus in each and every trading day. We have about $5 trillion plus monetary volume moving in the Forex market. Yeah, Forex trading is the biggest financial market in the world as we talk now, with a monetary volume of $5 trillion plus movement in each and every trading day. So they are local houses, Forex houses, which we call Forex Bureau. In these Forex Bureau local houses or offices, what they do is that they exchange currencies of different nations to another. You understand? For instance, you have the dollar and you want to exchange it for Ghana cedis, or you have the pound and you want to exchange it for dollar. You are exchanging what two different currencies of different nations, of nations altogether. So mostly what these people do is that when you go there, they will give you the buying price. If you agree, you sell to them and take the currency that you want. So mostly this thing happen when you are to have a trip or you have a trip to a different country. Most of the time you exchange it before you leave your own local country. But sometimes when you reach the distance, the country in which you are traveling to, you have to exchange it in one of these local forex exchange houses, which we call Forex Bureau, because the country in which you have traveled to does not accept your local currency as a medium of an exchange. So in order to do any business transaction in this country, in that country, you have to change your local currency, the currency that they are spending in that particular country. Understand? And this exchange is just exchange of two currencies. It means that you can't exchange one currency for the other, especially, for example, exchanging dollar to dollar or naira to naira or Ghana cedi to Ghana cedi. No, when this thing happens, it is not a foreign exchange. Foreign means different countries altogether. It is also simultaneous in transactions. Whenever you are buying a currency in, you are selling your own currency out. It means that you are giving your own out and you are taking different currency in. So the one you are giving out is the one you are selling, but the one you are receiving is the one you are buying inside. Understand? And that is why it is a exchange of currencies of two nations. So what we are about to learn in this forex space is the virtual aspect, the digitization, virtual representation of this particular action or exchanges. So in the forex market, we have quotes of currencies where currencies are being paired against each other to know the exchange rate of each and every currency within a given period of time. So you as a trader, your duty is to leverage or to be able to predict what might be the exchange rate of these particular currencies in future. You understand? It's your duty to predict which currency is going to be the stronger than the other in future. Based on these predictions, you can place your trade on that, or you can bet on what you have analyzed and what you have anticipated. You understand? So forex traders basically speculate the price movement of these foreign exchanges. You understand? With the main motive of making profits. In the forex market, we we do the transactions or we trade in the forex market just to make profit. But this thing is associated with a risk involved or losses involved, which you can never do away with. Losses are inevitable, which could occur at any time. It can come at any time in the market. So you should be aware of it and have a safety precautions taking place when these things happen. So the outcome of these transactions is not guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed in this forex market. It is a what 50-50 game of probabilities. You can be right and you can be wrong. You understand? So it is recommended to get the skill first before you can start trading the market because you will not know when the losses will come. And if you don't have the skill to manage the losses, it means that you are going to be losing your money in the market all the time. So when you have the skills, you can be right 7 times out of 10. You can be right 7 times out of 10 when you have the skill. But without the skill, forget it. So making money is in Forex one of the most freedom jobs you can find in the world. But with this one, you don't need a CV to get to be able to be interested. With this one, you don't need a CV for you to be able to get the job. You are not writing any letter to any person, no application. Just have your money, have your phone, and the skill. That's all. And one thing that you people have to understand is that you won't make money in forex trading overnight. It's a process and it's a business. It takes time to be profitable in the market, or it takes time to compound your profit to be a millionaire in the trading market, but not just in a day. And it's worth the sacrifice, whatever that you are going to give to the market, whatever sacrifice that you are giving to the market or you are doing for the market. Bear in mind that it will pay off multiple times at the end of the day. And you don't need any certificate to do this particular job. No certificate is required. You don't have to go to school. You don't need any certificate to operate in this forex market. So we have come to the end of this particular section. So right now, what we're going to be talking about is what do you need to trade forex? What are the things that you need to trade forex? It's very simple. You need a device. This device can be a laptop or a phone. If you have your phone, you can trade with your phone. You can also trade with your laptop. But the most important thing here is that a laptop has a bigger screen as compared to mobile device. And the fact that we are doing with market charts or reading the charts in the graphs of market, it means that if you have a wider view of the market, a wider screen, it will give you upper hand in understanding or getting to know the overall trend of the market or the market direction as compared to when you have a phone, which cannot give you that wider view of the market. So you have advantage or it will be good if you have laptop for that. And the second thing which is important is good network connection. You must have a strong network connection without interruption because you don't have to be in a serious mode or whenever when you are slow to take trace and your network will be fucking you up. You're having lots of connections. No, you have a strong network connection. The third thing is the trading platform, which is the MetaTrader, the platform that we use to trade MetaTrader 4 or Trader 5. It is now Trader 5, which is the updated version of this in MetaTrader 4. The MetaTrader 5 is the upgraded version of MetaTrader 4, but they are all the same, just that the 5 have some updated edition opportunities or tools that MetaTrader 4 does not have. For instance, in MetaTrader 5, you can close bulk positions, you can close all your positions at once with the Meta 5, which you can't do with Meta 4. I don't know if they have updated it to Meta 4 too, but what I know is that it was not in the MetaTrader 4. And there are also alternative trading platforms, but this is the most popular one that each and everyone is using. This is the most popular one. We also have a reputable broker. A broker is someone that you can trade without. If I retail trader, you can't trade without a broker. You must have a broker because your orders can only be sent to the financial markets, the liquidity provided by the broker. So you need the broker in order to execute your trades, and your trades can be sent to the liquidity providers. So broker is just an intermediary between you and the financial market. They link you and the market, and they are very important and necessary. So because of that, there are people that will be trusting with your funds. The money you will be trading with will be deposited through the broker's website and their accounts that they will provide you to trade the forex market. So there are some guidelines that you have to take or to have to consider since you have to consider before choosing a particular broker. And we'll talk about them in the next lessons to come. We also have a trading space. Space simply means that a place where you can sit comfortable and trade. If you know you can walking around while trading, no problem. If you want a peace of mind, you stay at your any place in your room, your comfort zone, provided if you have what a desk where you can place your phone or your laptop. And this one is optional, you understand? And the most important thing here is a mentor who has a proven results, who have been through challenges and difficulties in the market and has been able to make his way out. So the person will teach you based on his or her experience. Whatever that the person went through, you will not have to go through the same thing again. So in short, a mentor will shorten your learning curve for you. He reduce the challenges and the suffering for you as you are beginning to learn. Because most of the time, even if you want to learn this thing online, you will not know where to start from. Whether you are learning tips today, tomorrow you are learning loss size or leverage, or you are learning fundamentals, you will not know how to arrange yourself. But a mentor know after this one, have to go to this one. After this one, have to go to this one. And he can guide you through that. The last thing is consistent practice. No matter how good the mentor is, no matter how good he is, whatever that he has for you, what good strategy or anything, no matter how good quality information that he has for you, if you are not practicing consistently, you can never be a profitable trader. You can never succeed in the market. You need to give the market enough time to practice the market at least 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours in a day. Give the market enough time. Give your everything to the market. Practice consistently. Whatever that your mentor teach you, practice that. If you don't practice, you can never understand. You can never become a better trader. So, with that being said, I think we have come to the end of the lesson, and I'll see you in the next lesson.